I'm going to show you how quick it is to connect Xero to Roveel. Go to the website roveel.com, start a free trial, pop the email address in, hit submit, pop your name, create a password, registers the user, pop to your email, receive the email, verify now, log in with the password that you've just created. Greeted with a screen, asks you what you want to connect to. We connect with Sage Accounting, Sage 50, 200 and Xero. Select Xero, hit connect to Xero. Select the organisation, allow access, checks information, read our license agreement, hit accept, and you're done. Now it's time to add your users. We don't charge per user, we charge per business. You've got a 2-week free trial. You'll get an email to notify you once your data's mapped through. It normally takes about an hour.